Well, hello everyone. It's me, Daniel with Website Candy, and I want to say thanks for watching this video. However, today I am going to do a video where I'm going to follow along a tutorial and show you guys some cool stuff. And it's coming to you from a good friend of mine named Lisa Irby. And here's her website right here. It's called Passive T-Shirt Profits. I'll put the link down below. And she has all kind of different cool stuff. She even has a course here to help you get started on your own, passive shirt profits and all kind of different cool things. Over here is the tutorial that I followed along to create a pattern. And if you come over and watch the video, and I will also link the video as well, and it starts at 47 seconds of how to do this in Photoshop and what we're going to do together. Um, you can come over here, watch the video, but the link will be down below. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna resize this right here to where I can see it down here in the corner, nice and small, nice and tidy. Not sure exactly how small I can get this to really watch her tutorial and be over here in Photoshop at the same time. So what we're going to do is we're going to watch the tutorial. I'm going to kind of let Lisa take over as far as the instructions, and we're going to do it together to show you how easy this is to get started. And when you watch her video, you'll understand how you can just make a passive income, doing different kind of things with t-shirts and where to sell them. I definitely recommend following Lisa Irby on YouTube. She also has a website called Create a Website to Create a Website. And I'm always looking at that website. She's always inspiring me for different things. So let's go ahead and get started. And I'm gonna hit play here.
Is all over shirt prints and more. So let's get started. First of all, I'm going to be using Photoshop CC 2020, but this works with some of the previous versions as well. Start off by going to File, New, and make sure your values match the ones you see on the screen and press OK. Next, choose the ellipse tool. Hold down Shift and drag to draw a circle. Click the V key or the Move tool to move the circle in the center. Now, right-click the layer and choose Duplicate Layer to make a copy. To size down the circle, press Command or Control T and size down the top circle by holding down Option or Alt and drag the corner to make it smaller. Click the ellipse tool again and then the fill swatch to select your color for this top circle. Hold down Shift and select both layers. Now right-click and choose Merge Visible, which unfortunately is off the screen. Sorry, y'all. This is going to combine both layers into one. Next, right-click and duplicate layer again. Now go up to Filter, Other, Offset. The value you select right here should be half of the width and height of your canvas. Our canvas is 1000 by 1000 pixels, so we will use 500 for both the vertical and horizontal values. Click OK. The final step is to select Edit, Define Pattern. Give it a name and then click OK. Now your pattern is ready to use. To create a pattern file for print on demand, open a brand new template. I'm using 6500 by 7000, which is more than big enough for all Redbubble products. First, we're going to give our pattern a yellow background. You don't have to give it a background, but we're just going to do this for the sake of illustration. So click the foreground color icon, choose your color, tap the paint bucket, and click inside your canvas to paint it. Now, right-click your layer and choose Blending Options. Select Pattern and choose the newly created pattern. Now you can adjust the scale slider to get the size that you desire. Click OK. Now all you have to do is export your file as a PNG, and you're ready to upload to print on demand. Don't forget to go in and enable new products on your.
I just did that with you guys. Lisa navigated us through it, and you see how simple and easy it was. I mean, I'm very familiar with Photoshop. If you're not that familiar with Photoshop, I would definitely recommend, pausing the video, or maybe even having the video on another screen as you have Photoshop on a different screen and doing it with her. Um, this is awesome. This is great. Like I mentioned, all the links will be down below. And make sure if you go over and subscribe to Lisa, make sure you tell her that Daniel from Website Candy sent you. All right. Thanks for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video.